Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Top World. Thank you so much. Today I made a kimchi, homemade kimchi. But when I'm making kimchi, I forgot to put it in some fish sauce. Usually I put the anchovy fish sauce, maybe 3 spoons of anchovy fish sauce, or the 2 spoons of salty shrimp, sauce. But I totally forgot. But I want to review the kimchi I made it today. So without fish sauce, this kimchi still looks good. So I want to show you what it looks like. So I prepare the rice, okay, and then this is the kimchi I just made it today. I'm gonna pull out nice batch of kimchi. So this is the kimchi I made it. I pull out right here. And then I'm gonna cut it so can easily you can eat. Oh, look at that beauty! It's really nice in color. So I put it on top of the this rice. Rice and kimchi is perfect combination. So this is called the pogi kimchi, means the whole kimchi. And then once you take it out, you just need to cut it right size, so more convenient to eat. So see, this is kind of like kimchi salad with the rice. So basically, if you don't have a much other thing, I mean, this is the way to go. So let's get into the taste. So this is the chopstick, and I'm gonna show you. And just a moment. Okay, so I have this kimchi and rice. I didn't put any fish sauce. So with the it's rice with the kimchi right here, and then you just need to without fish sauce, still pretty good, because this is a pickle Napa cabbage that I pickled with the salt, a lot of salt. So already seasoned here. So if we don't like fish sauce, no, you don't need to put it in. But yeah, it's still good kimchi. Still good kimchi. I thought I messed up, but without fish sauce, man, still really, really good. Very rich taste. I think I pickled Napa cabbage really well with the salt, so the cabbage already have some salt in it, So not failed. Another steps of success. So when you try a new thing, or sometimes you make mistake, you forgot, just smile and don't worry about it. Worst case, I'll show you. So I like salted shrimp. Which is this? This is the salted shrimp, Korean brand. So usually I put this one. I'll show you. Like it is very small salt, kind of like a shrimp sauce, but itself it's pretty good, you know. It's salty, but what you can do, if you want some this shrimp, you just need to put some of the kimchi on top, and then with some rice. Yeah, you can do that. But this shrimp is really salty, so you cannot eat much. Very tiny. You gotta eat. But this one is the still good kimchi. Colorful flavor, good flavor. You know. Yeah. I like it. Rice and kimchi. Not bad at all. Good. Very good. I just made only one napa cabbage, and I eat regularly. So good. It's almost done. Spicy. Homemade kimchi is healthy, it's very good and affordable. Now there's a lot of in US, actually in the world, Korean food is really getting hike up really expensive. You know how to make it, then you can make your own kimchi and other Korean food. Thanks so much. See you next time. See you soon. It's Talk World.